Hello crafters, welcome to Create at Home with Elf Creations and my first Christmas video for 2020. Now, as I've got both channels in one now, Sunday is going to be the day that I upload any Christmas videos that I do throughout the year. So this theme for this Christmas of 2020 is going to be Charles Dickens, Dickensian, Victorian theme. So I'm going to make a Victorian themed styled candle ring for me to use this Christmas. I'm going to be using the rattan wreath forms from Poundland. I got some dried limes from eBay. I got some artificial pines from eBay. This kind of piney fern looking plant is from a 99p store, an independent 99p store. These items here I got at Christmas from Poundland. So you got the Christmas berries, the cinnamon sticks and the dried orange slices. I'm going to be using some faux mini apples from my stash. So the first thing I'm going to do is take off the ribbon and the label. I have done one. And the only thing I wish I had done differently is I wish I had painted the wreath form. I wish I painted it brown, but I didn't, so I'm not going to paint this one brown because obviously I didn't paint the other one brown. It makes no sense. I'm going to dissect these faux green leaves now. The only other things you're going to need are wire snips, a spatula to press down the hot glue, a hot glue machine or tool, and a glue sticks. So I'm just going to create this, play some nice music over the top and try not to speed it up too fast so that you can see what I'm doing. So what I'll do is every time I finish with a particular item, I'll bring it to camera and do a close-up. I've got a few left over, but I'm going to use those later on. So next I'm going to go with the faux pines that I dissected. Then we're going to submerge these into the wreath form as well. Just so you know, crafters, there's not going to be a Christmas video every Sunday, but whenever I do a Christmas video throughout 2020 during the year, I mean, obviously once we get to nearer Christmas of 2020, they'll just go up normal. But leading up to Christmas, I will have them out on Sundays. And what I'm hoping to do is have a Christmas series where I use May's Christmas stamp sets. I'm trying to think of a name, crafters, so give me some ideas of a name. Obviously I want the word Christmas in the title, and then I also want to use May. So I was thinking Chris May or May's Christmas, or I'm not sure. So just give me, help me figure out a name for the Christmas card series where I use May's Christmas stamp sets. I think that'd be quite nice to do. I'm a big fan of May stamp sets, as you know, and I know many of you are. So I thought that would be nice to do throughout the year. I just need help with a name. I can't think of one. So leave your ideas in the comments for me, crafters. Okay, crafters, I will probably put more in later, but for now, I'm going to leave that as is. And then we're going to add 3 small, the smallest ones I have, of the dried limes, and I'm going to put them in place. So I'm going to have one sort of there and then one there. Are any of you like me, crafters, where you decide in advance what theme you're going to do? I mean, if any of you know what theme you're doing for 2020, put that in the comments as well. So then I can possibly do some Christmas ornaments and that type of thing based on what you guys are doing. Because I've got a lot of things that I've made previously for this year, so I'm not going to have to make a ton of things for this Christmas, but I do need to make some more Christmas cards because I used a lot of my inventory in Christmas 2020. Okay, now I'm going to put on some cinnamon sticks. For a second, crafters, I couldn't think what it was called. And as this is going to have a candle in the middle, I'm trying to keep this middle part as empty as possible, or as minimal as possible, because obviously we have we'll have a candle or a candle jar or a candle hurricane to go in there. Very similar to the ones I did last year. I'll insert a picture here. So they are the ones that I created last year, and I really like them. I will probably use those this year as well, but somewhere else. I don't like to put things back in the same place every year. Okay, crafters, that's both of them done. Now, the only reason I say that I wish I'd spray painted it brown is because you see it on the inside, but once I get a hurricane in there or a large candle, you're not going to see it. So I'm just going to splay out the berries, and that's both of my very rustic Victorian natural candlesticks ready for 2020. Thank you very much for joining me today. Please give me some suggestions in the comments and say hello. It'll be nice to hear from you, and I shall see you again very soon. Merry Christmas in January. Bye now. you.